This video will show you how to install MetaMask if you get the click here to install MetaMask view when you come to JobCrypt. If you don't have MetaMask, you can't connect to the blockchain, which means you won't be able to use JobCrypt. So what you need to simply do is you need to click the install MetaMask. This will take you to the MetaMask download page. And then since we're using the Chrome browser, you simply click install MetaMask for Chrome, add the extension. That'll then download, and we just wait for that to complete. It's happening down here. And then once that is complete, we then go up here. As you can see, we've now got the extension for MetaMask. Okay. Now, before we start configuring MetaMask, we want to click this little pin here. That basically reveals it over here. You'll need this for the remainder of your work with JobCrypt. And then we can now get started with respect to configuring MetaMask.